Okay, children. In the previous class, I told you what is trigonometry and who derived who introduced the trigonometry, and how many types of measurements I told you, definitions I told you, and the same thing I told you relation existing between the degrees and radians. Now, if you observe there, let us see one more thing I want to say here. Trigonometry ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios already I told you when I explained on about the problems. Now if you observe there, already I told you the relation existing between the sides and angles of a right angle triangle. That is about the definition or told by the Hipparchus scientist mathematician. Now if you observe there, in this system trigonometry ratios, how the ratios are getting. Basically if you observe there, we have three fundamental ratios. Number one is sine theta, number two cos theta, number three and tan theta. Okay, number one sine theta, number two cos theta, number three tan theta, and the correlation other we can say sine theta for we can say cosecant theta, cos theta we can say secant theta, and tan theta we can say cot theta. That is there. But sine theta, how can you define a definition? How can you say that? We can say from right angle triangle. I told you trigonometric ratios first only I told you. So according to this, if you observe the children, sine theta in a right angle triangle, if you take A, B, C, A comma B comma C, they are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Vertices of a right angle triangle. At angle B is right angle, so at angle C is theta. That should be as like acute. At angle A also we can say theta only. That is also acute angle, because of in a right angle triangle the sum of the two acute angles is equals to one right angle. So totally sum of the angles of a right angle triangle is 180 degrees. So one angle should be right angle, others angles are 45 we can say. Okay, 45 we can say, we cannot say one angle should be like 30 degrees and other angle should be like 60 degrees, like different ways we can say. Okay, now how we are getting that sine theta, I will explain on the board also, don't worry. Just sine theta, how can you define? In this sine theta, I told you when I explained on the board, in a right angle triangle, sine theta definition is opposite side by hypotenuse. How it is coming opposite side? Opposite side is opposite side means the side which is AB opposite to theta. So that is we can say opposite side. Then how can you define that hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, the side which is longest side, which is opposite to right angle triangle. That's why we can say that it is a longest side hypotenuse. Next, why we can say that adjacent side? Because of the side which is adjacent to the theta. That's why adjacent side. Okay, sine theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next, tan theta, we can say opposite side by adjacent side. Next, we can say correlation ratios. We can say cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means what is the sine theta for sine theta for cosecant theta. So we have to make them to reciprocal of that. That means hypotenuse by opposite side, cosecant theta ratio. Secant theta, which is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Cot theta for that adjacent side by opposite side. That is about the relations of the ratios in this given right angle triangle. And I want to tell you very important ratios, which are the reciprocal ratios. Reciprocal ratios. Sine theta, what is the reciprocal of sine theta? We can say 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, what is the reciprocal? 1 by sine theta. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sine theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Next we can say that cos theta. Cos theta reciprocal of that, what we can say? 1 by secant theta. Secant theta for that inverse or reciprocal, what we can say? 1 by cos theta. Next, if you observe the children, go for tan theta. What is the tan theta reciprocal of that? 1 by cot theta. So you can go for cot theta reciprocal of that 1 by tan theta. One more thing we can say here, sin theta into cosecant theta is equals to 1. Because of sin theta as it is, cosecant theta reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled, we will get to 1 also. So that is also we can remember that. And the next one we can say that sin cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Because of sin theta, write as it is, into secant theta is there. Secant theta means reciprocal of secant theta 1 by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled, we can get 1. Similarly, go for that tan theta children. Tan theta reciprocal is 1 by cot theta. So tan theta into cot theta means tan theta into reciprocal of cot theta, we can say 1 by tan theta. Tan theta get cancelled, we will get 1 answer. So these are the main basic fundamentals which are helpful while we are going to simplification of the problems. Okay, I hope thank you are patiently listening my class and watching my class. Okay children, thank you.